today, or just doing a vlog. A sound effect. It's actually not a vlog. It's just a sound effect. Quickly, if you see me around New Zealand, which is just where I live, if you see me around there, just don't, you know what I'm saying. Just don't be afraid to. Don't be afraid to let me sign autograph. I'm fine with that. So yeah, if you've seen me anywhere around New Zealand, if you want, if you want, so yeah, if you've seen me around New Zealand, you should have seen you know, get an autograph. You should have. So if you meet me again, so yeah, if you meet me again, don't be afraid. So yeah, guys, you it's not actually a goodbye. So here's comes. Woo!